know say me double tap my pussy fat some woman. So suck my crack, equal rice girl power boy. Suck it back, every boy when me suck them. Suck it back, that means that for me husband in a that.
Member, you know, General, you are the one where used to say, Peter Metro, me I watch you from in the 80s, you're my artist. And all of a sudden, you don't chat to me again. And you burn me out.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
Welcome to Landfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Anyone there? Big up yourself in guidance and protection. Welcome to Landfoot TV. You know we keep it real wise up on the back of field. You see me? I say peace and love, unity and strength. Big up everybody on the platform. And if you're new, I just have forward and check out the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you all for your continuous support. Zin? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I want to have some local pasa, mix up and casa. Yo! Peter Betcher say General be a bunny up behind him back and him chat to Beres and somebody else. You see me and him come back come tell him, boy, Peter Betcher never hold what the name of the man called Beres name. We have also Queenie. Queenie in the studio sing a song about Dewwy. She say, yo, she love when her sit and get sucked and every man where she there with the film it and Dewwy, you know, apart one of them too. Lord Jesus Christ, but viewers and subscribers, we know I'm late, you know, the far good to see it already, but anyway, before we kick off the vlog, you know, yes, but before we kick off the show, do remember this vlog is sponsored by the one Dan Gag and Ninja Man and Kemar McGregor. Zane Kemar McGregor just receive a box of plaque. Me I tell them my viewers and stuff, oh, I wish I could, oh, yo, I know I can get one to you, but just need a chance. Yeah, man. This vlog is sponsored by Ninja Man, the Dan Gargan. Yes, he's giving away $1,000 on his newly released single produced by Kemar McGregor, One Dan Gargan. Yes, he's doing a dance off, and these are some of the rules. Enter the routine with a Dan Gargan stance like Ninja Man entering the stage. You know the look there and the walk there if you don't know, go do your research. 2. The routine must include the following dance moves: Tati, World Dance, Butterfly, Bogle, Shoulder Move, Body Move. And you don't have to do it in that order. Just mix it up the way you want to, but you have to include all those 6 dance moves. Yes, it. Rule number 3. Get the One Dan Gargan song. Create your routine. Tag your video to Ninja Man's official Facebook page, www.facebook.com Ninja Man Official. The best routine wins $1,000, $1,000. Competition opens on Monday, the September 11th. That means it starts already. Competition closes on Tuesday, October the 10th, 2023. The winner will be announced on Thursday, October the 26th, 2023. Have fun. Get your friends to vote by liking and commenting on your video. Top 5 videos will be selected and a panel of judges will decide on the winner. So get on the dancing shoes on and on the moves on, and yeah man, support the One Dan Gargan. Zane? Yeah man. Alright, big up yourself Ninja Man, One Dan Gargan. People who going to enter the competition. See me I say? Yes man. With no further delay, here Peter Metro say relating to General B and Arita the local saga. Seeing Peter Metro say him save the money from drop the chair in a General B head. Hear what Peter Metro said.
Try to say about boombox, cause them years say me the day. But me now go mix up in the bangarang, you know. When me take my eye and see, me see. But one thing I want to tell General B say. Remember, you know, General, you are the one where used to say, Peter Metro, me I watch you from in the 80s, you're my artist. And all of a sudden you don't chat to me again. And you burn me out. Me not do you nothing. What you burn me out for? Chew me at the rubber dove. Chew me at the dance hall Thursday. Even Beres a man, big youth. You tell say, me take away your style. That's big youth. I say, and which style you take? Me say, me no know. Because this is original dance hall. Beres a man ask me say, me no know. And you not talk to me again. And you see what when I probably if it wasn't Peter Metro and Josie Wheel brother. When you run around the car, the youth, 2 of them Have 2 iron chair I go so. Dropping I am say no. I'm hide behind Joseph brother name Daddy Sean. I'm put him up front and say, and him said, no, you can't do that to my artist. Saying, what me just show you, I love you same way. Because if we did louder man there, probably, I'll know you wouldn't be here. But big up yourself, General B. Me still love you same way. This is original dancehall Thursday. Saying, say something.
Yes, the people, when you see what happen now, boombox, right you know, we just want the man them work out the situation, we not stretch it, we just want to say for bless you.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, the music business, I tell you, you see, every man I carry belly for them one another. You come like the man them carry belly for them one another more than the woman them than the music industry. Be ages and fight against. Some man I said, 20 years, some man I chat to some man and them used to be friends. So here, Peter Metro I say, him see General B, and the man have the chair, for dropping him head, 2 man of 2 iron chair. And I him ball out say, no, Zine. So General B, nobody that tell no lie. When him say the man them with chair and, you know, lass and knife and whatever. But anyway, Peter Metro say, General B, never chat to him and malice him. See me? Because him start to dance on Thursday. They must say them copy. Is it? remember Beaky Bailey did state that as well, you know, so the man them a pre-dance on Thursday and I tell them say, don't do that man. But the man only just focus on phone thing and make phone things surround, you know, clash. You see it? But I just saw the business there. There's many ideas, great minds think alike, you know. Sometimes I see a man build a song like you. That don't mean some copy, you know. You see me? Yeah man, great minds think alike. You have to just try to do your thing outstanding. You see me? Make it stand out. You see it? But what I don't like still, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Do you think Peter Metro should have called Beres and Big Youth name? Because General be associated with Big Youth and Beres Big up Beres and Big Youth, because 2 legends them there. You see me? So Beres, General be a chat to them an event and I say, yo, Peter Metro them copy me thing. Do you think Peter Metro should have called them name? Let me know. Me personally I think Peter Metro should have called Beres name and Big Youth name because them show him something confiding in them. You see me? So it's like say me I show White Shadow my brethren something. White Shadow bring back my name, go tell the man them. You see me? So Peter Metro I thought the truth, yes. We like that. Straight up front and blunt. But I think he should have called Beres name and Big Youth. We say yo, Big Youth and Beres carry back General B name to him. You see me? You know General B is supposed to feel fuck up in himself, you know. Because remember Beaky Bailey did talk, so the man them a pre-dancehall Thursdays, you know, but Beaky Bailey never call a name. I remember say Boombox Friday surrounded be a man round Boombox Friday, you know. And just General B and Harry Toddler, so many people couldn't attack. Beaky Bailey never call a name. But in distance now we all know how Beaky Bailey did attack. A General B. I don't know if Harry Toddler like that still. I want thing with Lion Foot, you know. Yeah man, a peace and love me saying and fairness and respect, you know, so. Let me know what you think still. I don't think Peter Metro should have called Beres name because people go to say Beres more light, you see me? Big up Beres and big up Big Youth are 2 giants, you see me, in the music industry. Legend, as a matter of fact. But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Unity, the man them too bad mind and grudgeful, man, you see it? Share the food and bust some youth, man. Like myself, yeah. You see it? But anyway, Queenie exposed Dewwy. She say him a chewy. Like chop suey. Yo, she did at the studio, she was sang there. No man to her goodie. Remember she sang, she said, one man to be goodie, and I do it. But she said, no man to her goodie right now. I tell a star. Queenie, what make I do the man that man?
Full and I roll over. If fire on them, think it done, but it over.
Why may I tell her the cup boil up, big cup full?
It's our me say. Crazy, never lazy. Double tap me, a double tap for all of the girls in the spot. Queenie up to that.
People, when you ready for it? Queenie, double tap with the ladies. And when you ready for it? Alright, let's go.
I'm married, I'm a warm boy. To suck my crotch, me a queen, and you know, say. Me double tap my pussy fat, so I'm a warm man. To suck my crotch, equalize girl power boy. Suck it back.
People, when you hear Queenie, I say, Queenie, why you have to go in the studio and do a song like this and deal with the husband like that? Boy, I wonder how do we feel hearing a song like that? Queenie says she married and she want man be sucky crotch, she pussy fat. She a queen, I wanna know, so she double tap, equal rights, girl power. Hey boy, sucky back. You see me? No sir. That song is trouble, you know. Well, let's continue in the song.
Every boy when me suck them, suck me back. That means for me husband in a that. Be a vintage tally and me never pop Molly.
Hold on there. How we Queenie say look a while? Pull it up again, lion foot. Pull it up again.
Every boy when me suck them, suck me back. That means for me husband in a that. Be a vintage tally and me never pop Molly.
Me tell you, no say that song is trouble, you know. Queenie say every boy when she suck them, suck her back. That means say fear her husband in a that. Zine, yo, Queenie just expose Dewwy and the rest of her ex them. And me say na Queenie say so every boy when she suck them suck her back. That means say her husband in a that. John no star Queenie. And now have to expose the man. So in a song, Jesus peace. No sir, my viewers and subscribers. What do you think? Why the song catchy still?
Me Annie. No man to me goodie. Me Annie, me a dash up my body. Sex play, who vex was vex. Honey. All this Annie girl.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, we Queen are going and I rub down our breast when I destroy that in that dress there. Yo, me not tell them and put on pan Queen still. But you know, I don't know about that downtown thing there. But each to them own, you know, like what always I say that. Big up Queenie, big up Dewwy. Not to the lie. That's a get trouble, you know, but it look like it a go eat, you know. The girl am go run with it, you know. Queen is a girl power.
Enough tears when you're sitting them face. I'm screaming. Right now, we are looking at the ceiling. Make me wonder if we're dreaming. Cloud up, dreaming.
No, Queen is him love taste and him love when she sit down in her face. What a disgrace. Do it! Queen say, yeah, true, you like chop suey. Why am I telling my viewers and subscribers? Let me know what you think about the song still. Or if Queenie should have done such song, she right or she wrong. No, sir. May I tell her why Queenie. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section there. You can put yourself in that lion foot. Blessed love.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up done Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dance, I check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%. The party's